Today, we're breaking down the commercial HVAC checklist. It's your guide to efficiency and savings.
So, what's a huge hidden cost for businesses? Something that can just grind everything to a halt.
Yep, an unexpected HVAC breakdown. It kills comfort, productivity, and of course, your bottom line.
The solution? Proactive maintenance. A simple checklist can save you a ton of cash on repairs.
All right, part one. Let's dive into the most fundamental piece of the puzzle, airflow.
First up, your air filters. You gotta check them monthly. A clogged filter really strains your whole system.
Beyond filters, keeping coils clean and drains clear is your best defense against costly water damage.
Okay, part two. Let's get into the mechanical and electrical health of your unit.
These quick checks on belts and bearings are so simple, but they prevent those big, sudden failures.
And when it comes to the electrical side, a full inspection isn't just a good idea, it's non-negotiable. Now, for part three, the really critical stuff. Think of it as the system's brain and its lifeblood.
The thermostat is the brain, controlling temperature. The refrigerant, that's the cooling power. Both are vital.
But, and this is super important, refrigerant and electrical checks are jobs for certified pros, period.
So that brings us to part four. How do you know what you can do versus when to call an expert?
Well, this chart lays it out perfectly. Changing a filter is easy. Checking refrigerant levels? Not so much.
All right, part five. Let's pull all this together into a simple action plan you can actually use.
The takeaway here is simple. This checklist avoids breakdowns, cuts costs, and makes your gear last longer.
Which all leads to one final, really important question for your business.
Just remember this quote. Being proactive isn't a cost. It's probably the smartest investment you can make.